Good morning, this is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson for your weekly weather briefing this October 24th, 2016. Our warmer than normal temperatures and dry weather is expected to continue through the week. Our main concern for any potentially hazardous weather revolves around fire weather conditions. At this time, we are not expecting red flag warning criteria to be met. However, there will be critically low relative humidities this afternoon, especially across the southeast half of the area, where I'll show you in the next slide that we've outlooked a limited area. Other than that, again, warmer than normal temperatures with very little rain chance over the next 7 days is expected for our region. For today, we have a very weak dry cold front trying to drop in from the northeast. We're not expecting this cold front to make much of a wind shift or a change in air mass, as it'll just drop in and fizzle out. Our dry air mass that we've had over the weekend from the last cold front that came through last Thursday has continued to moderate a little bit. We're seeing afternoon relative humidities remaining higher in the west, but over the southeast half of the area, the relative humidities will drop below critical values. Again, we're not expecting much wind today, so therefore we're not expecting red flag warning criterias. However, much of the area remains under burn bans, so we're not anticipating anybody starting or trying to burn any yard debris, and certainly be cautious with any outdoor burning activities such as outdoor grills or camping activities. Later in the week, around Thursday into Thursday night, we'll see another cold front try to drop into our area. Over the weekend, it looked like this front would be a little bit stronger and maybe produce a better chance for rain and drop a little farther south. Latest models this morning are in good agreement that this cold front will likely stall just to the north of our county warning area, so we will not see a change of air mass and we will not see very much chance for rainfall. Our 7-day forecast generally pans out with very little rain chance on Wednesday afternoon in the southeast, and then basically in the north on Thursday, depending on how far south the cold front gets. Otherwise, you can see that the afternoon highs are forecast to be in the low to mid 80s, and our normal highs run in the lower 70s from the north to the mid 70s in the south. Also, the morning lows will continue to warm through the period, and our normal lows run in the upper 40s, so in the lower 50s on Tuesday morning, warming to the lower 60s by Thursday morning will be much above normal as far as overnight lows as well. This graphic shows our projected 7-day precipitation chances across the area, and only very light, if any, precipitation is expected across our north and our southeast, with virtually none across our Louisiana, southeast Arkansas, and Mississippi zones. We're experiencing well below normal precipitation across the region. This graphic depicts that much of our area is below 25% of what we normally are expected to receive at this time of the year, and it continues to get lesser, with much of the area down around 5% of normal precipitation for this time of year. As far as the drought goes, the drought continues to worsen, and currently you can see much of Mississippi, especially our area, is under a severe to extreme drought. Our Louisiana parishes in the northeast basically fall in the severe to or moderate drought to severe drought conditions. And under southeast Arkansas, you can see that most of that area, including our two counties, Ashley and Chico, continue to be under the moderate drought. Just in case you were wondering, there is no anticipated tropical cyclone development in the Gulf or even in the Atlantic over the next 5 days, so no tropical storm or depression is expected to bring us any rain relief this week. As always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing, and continue to check out our webpage for additional forecasts.